Hello everyone, I am Dr. Muhammad Javed Ahmed. I am here to present my topic for the properties and need for the alternative fuels. So this is purely based upon the necessity why alternative fuels have become the part and parcel of our today's life. And in today's session, we will be looking after the need of those and the properties which understand with it. And in this, we will look after. Now, if you see that the need of alternative fuels, as I pointed out, has always been on the higher side. Now, if you see upon it, the country which produces the more amount of biofuels, in that regard, the US comes in the most with 940 barrels per day, and then comes Brazil, and then Germany and China with 59. And then the properties, if you see, combustion and performance, emission and storage and handling are the key properties of the alternative fuels to be considered for. Where the combustion in terms of the SI and CI engine for the stoichiometric mixture, the storage and the handling. And then if you see, the octane and the cetane number also plays a very vital role. In case of the diesel engine, the cetane number has to be on the higher side, which leads to the fast burning, and the for the petrol engines, the octane number has to be on the higher side. So octane number is the measure of performance of the fuel, and it predicts the knocking. Based upon it, we can able to predict the knocking, and considering the ignition type, we can able to predict it. So these two comparison has been made over here, and basically if you see, the octane number is preferred for the gasoline engines, and for the diesel engines it is the cetane number. And then the continuing the properties, the volatility is one of the main characteristics of the fuel. So where the substance with different mixture of hydrocarbons which will be present, and the special device at atmospheric pressure can lead to the volatility. And then the anti-knock quality is also a property, wherein which the abnormal burning or detonation in the SI engine would be there. And then the gum deposits, where the reactive hydrocarbons and impurities have the tendency to oxidize upon the storage to form the liquid. And then the amount of sulfur content, hydrocarbons fuel may be free of hydrogen sulfide, but the other sulfur compounds, which are an objection for several reasons, can be present. And the other property is the viscosity, where the fuel should be able to flow through the fuel system, and the other strainers which operate at very low temperatures to which the engine is subjected to, such as the SI engine has high octane number required in the range of 86 to 94. In case of the CI engine, the octane number, the cetane number should be comparatively less. And then the some other key properties has been shown in this presentation. You can see that the comparison has been made between the properties, the few types of fuel, whether it is methanol, ethanol, gasoline, or dimethyl ether or hydrogen fuel, the molecular weight or the boiling point or the cetane number, the stoichiometric number has been shown. And then the data on the fuel properties, such as the practical fuels, the hydrocarbons, whether it is alcohol or other type of fuels, in comparison with the molecular weight, the specific weight and the specific gravity, heat of evaporation has been shown. And the other different types, let's come into this now. So the different types of alternative fuels, what are all available, is been shown here. So we have the methanol, which is one of the type, and then we also have the ethanol as a type. So methanol is a form of a natural gas which is filled and been into liquid. And we also have ethanol, which is 95% neat ethanol, which is 95% ethanol and 5% of water, which can be blended up to 20% in gasoline, which is used in Brazil and in US. And then if you see, we also have the use of MTB, which is methyl tetrabutyl ether. And then the other key features of alcohol as motor to be considered should be of, it must comprise of high octane number, and direct injection of alcohol should be considered upon. CT number of methyl ethanol goes to 518. And yeah, thank you.